Those are vultures. Here, look at them guys. There's too many. I've seen this before. My kitty's okay. So, yeah, look at them. There's still one up in the tree there. I was just gonna throw out some garbage and where are they? Look at this morning. White fluffy clouds, blue sky. It's kind of cold. There's my coffee cup. My hot tub leaks. I'm gonna have to get the top figured out. I think it's too big. And I don't want to go that way. So, hey, it's Sunday, gotta take out the garbage. I'm gonna clean up this little area. There's, you gotta clean this up because, oh, look at our little keys here. See, I told you he was okay. He's probably hiding. Let's see. And did he take off yet? Yeah, I don't see him. Better be careful. Maybe I want them birds pooping on my head. All right. So the flowers survived. We had some snow the other day, and I thought it wiped out all the flowers. And so maybe we'll get lots of those, you know what I would like. Purple sugar plums. All right, everybody. Have a good weekend. Peace. Love you all.